it's beautiful. I've never seen so many stars and snow.
I think the porridge is just right.
And the basket is nearly fixed. Good morning.
Smells lovely.
The jam is just right today.
Careful with that bread, dear.
More coffee for me, please.
Here, drink this. It's hot.
Oh, thank you. This is perfect.
Everyone. Good morning, Lina. Lovely day, dear. Hello, thank you. Take care.
Keep rolling it, it's getting big. Look at how big it is. I'm ready for the next one.
Good morning.
Beautiful day for it.
Looking for root vegetables today? Good day, dearie. Here are your carrots.
Thank you kindly.
Looks like a fine market today.
Try this one. It's the freshest. Oh, Auntie May, it looks beautiful. Thank you. This whole stall is lovely.
Fresh from the oven. They look delicious. Just in time for you.
Oh, these are perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, these potatoes look perfect. Excellent choice, ma'am. And these mushrooms will be delicious. The snow is beautiful, isn't it? It is, but I'm glad for the warmth under here.
Would you like a fresh cup of tea, dear?
Look at them go! They're so fast. Just like little bundles of joy.
Ah, these are perfect. Time to head home.
Smells delicious. Need more flour, dear? Just a little. These carrots are perfect. Biscuits are almost ready.
Oh, Lina, darling. Is that for me? Yes, Grandma. I just baked it.
Oh, look at him down there. Such a rascal.
He's always hoping for a treat.
I think this red ribbon goes perfectly with these berries. Oh, yes, it looks just lovely, dear. Now, where did I put that glue? This chapter is fascinating. Just a few more rows on this project. It's so peaceful in here. The snow is getting deep.
Yeah.
Make sure to add salt to that stew.
Almost done with the potatoes.
Look what I found. Pass me some of that delicious bread.
It smells wonderful.
Here you go, dear.
Oh, thank you. Bon appétit.
I think this one is almost finished. Oh, let me see. Yes, perfect. Such a cozy night, isn't it?